Namshwaya. Today I am going to discuss about the text exercise from the lesson Respiration in Organisms. First one, why does an athlete breathe faster and deeper than usual after finishing the race? Then second one, list the similarities and differences between aerobic and anaerobic respiration. Then third question, why do we often sneeze when we inhale a lot of dust-laden air? These three question answers I will upload it in the classroom. Then fourth one, take 3 test tube. Fill 3 by 4th of each with water. Label them A, B and C. Keep a snail in test tube A water plant in test tube B, and in C, keep snail and plant both. Which test tube would have the highest concentration of carbon dioxide? A. In test tube A, carbon dioxide is produced by respiration of snail. No consumption of carbon dioxide. In test tube B, carbon dioxide is produced by respiration of plant and much higher amount of carbon dioxide is consumed during photosynthesis. Then C, in test tube, carbon dioxide is produced by respiration of snail and plant and carbon dioxide is consumed during photosynthesis. From this, it is clear from the above observation that the highest concentration of carbon dioxide will be in test tube A. Okay, then A is correct. The next one, tick the correct answer. In cockroaches, air enters the body through, answer is option 3, spiracles. Then B, during heavy exercise, we get cramps in the legs due to the accumulation of, option 2, lactic acid. Then C, normal range of breathing rate per minute in an average adult person at rest is, option 2, 15 to 18. Then during exhalation, the ribs, option 2, move downwards. Then match the items in column 1 with those in column 2. First one, east. Option 3, alcohol. Diaphragm. Option 4th one, chest cavity. Then skin. First one, earthworm. Then leaves. Option 5th one, stomata. Then fish. Option 2nd one, gills. Then frog. Option 6th one, lungs and skin. Next one, question number 7. Mark T if the statement is true and F if it is false. First one, during heavy exercise, the breathing rate of a person slows down. It is false. Then second one, plants carry out photosynthesis only during the day and respiration only at night. False. Then third one, frogs breathe through their skin as well as their lungs. It is true. Then fourth one, the fishes have lungs for respiration. It is false. Then fifth one, the size of the chest cavity increases during inhalation. It is true. Then eighth one, given below is a square of letters in which are hidden different words related to respiration in organisms. These words may be present in any direction, upward, downwards or along the diagonals. Find the words for your respiratory system. Clues about those words are given below the square. Okay, first one, the air tubes of insects. We know that it is trachea. The next one, skeletal structures surrounding chest cavity, ribs. Then third one, muscular floor of chest cavity, diaphragm. Fourth one, tiny pores on the surface of a leaf, stomata. Fifth one, small opening on the sides of the body of an insect, that is spiracles. The respiratory organs of human beings, lungs. The opening through which we inhale, nostrils or nose. Eighth one, an anaerobic organism, yeast. An organism with a tracheal system, it is ant. The next one, ninth one, the mountaineers carry oxygen with them because option B, the amount of air available to a person is less than that available on the ground. Okay, thank you. Namaskar.